And in this video, we're going to be looking at how to actually put information in our section and how to retrieve those information in section using Laravel. If you notice, we have like a form post here where we used to like create a new user. So right here, we're going to modify this form to actually use section. So let's just go ahead and do this. So if you notice, for this form, let's just see form. This is get form, and right here form.form. So let's just go into that resource view. We have form.form. So right here we're making the action to go into post/form, which is this. So right here post/form. So after the validation, let's just do away with all this. So right here we want to actually return $request. I want to return all requests. So hopefully this makes sense to you. So if I should fill this form now and click submit, so you can see all the requests right here. So I want to put all these requests in a section. So to actually put it in a section is simple. So let's just say section, and right here we want to put all this in a section. So we create a section name. We can call it user info, and we put $request all request. So hopefully this makes sense to you. So we've put that in the section right now. So if we should refresh, so to output this section, all we just have to do is return $request section, and this will be get, and right here we can pass the name info. So hopefully this makes sense to you. So let's try this again. So you can see those infos right here.